How to make a game pass on Roblox. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Roblox tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you the updated method to make a game pass on Roblox for Please Donate. And if this video helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel and also liking this video because that really helps me out. And if you're trying to do this on a mobile phone, check the description because I'll have a link to that down there. All right, so to get started with making a game pass for Roblox, the first thing we need to do is open a browser and navigate to roblox.com. Log into your account, and then once you're logged in, go up to the top and select Create. Once Create loads, up in the top menu, select Dashboard, and then all we want to do here is select our experiences. So by default, all Roblox users have an experience. If you've created additional ones, just make sure you select one that has public under it. So select your place. Then in the left menu here, scroll down, and at the bottom under Monetization Products, select Passes. So now all we need to do to make our game pass is simply select Create a Pass. Once we're on Create a Pass, you can upload an image if you want to, and this will be displayed on your stand on a game like Please Donate, things like that. Keep in mind your image does need to be moderated, so don't do anything that breaks the Roblox rules. After that, we can give it a name and then a description if you want. The name is required. Once you've entered the required information, select Create Pass, and there you go. You can see our pass right there. Now that we've created our pass, you'll see it says Off Sale. We need to mark our pass for sale so that it actually shows up on our stand and Please Donate. So go ahead and select the pass. Then in the left sidebar, select Sales. From here, all we need to do is toggle on Item for Sale, and then we need to give our pass a price. Keep in mind that you only keep 70% because Roblox takes the other 30%. So if I give this game pass the price of 100 Robux, I'm only going to keep 70 Robux because Roblox keeps 30. So go ahead and save changes once you've entered your price. And now when we go back to associated items up here, you can see my game pass that I just created, and it cost 100 Robux. So now we have a game pass that is created. We can go back to roblox.com, go to Please Donate or any other game you want to that uses game passes, select play. Then once you get into Please Donate, go up to an unclaimed stand, hold down E to claim the stand, and there you go. You can see the game pass that I just created that cost 100 Robux. You could also see where the picture would be if I did upload an image, and you could see it show up on this game pass. Now, if you're looking to change your stand or customize the text in your stand, check the description. I'll have links to those tutorials down there. So, all right, so that's how you make a game pass in Roblox for Please Donate. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Roblox tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.